Yes. So, good morning, all. Did everybody reach, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay.
There are
Okay. Only
18.
very less students,
18.
less number of students. I was showing a video. Those who have come now, I was showing a video on simple equations. That is our next chapter. Okay. Showing a video on simple equations. Did you understand anything? You have studied this in standard 6, isn't it?
Yes,
Standard
ma'am.
6 in the name of algebra. Algebra. Have you studied?
Yes,
Algebra
ma'am.
in standard 6.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
We assign any letter for the unknown, isn't it? And we frame equations or algebraic expressions for the statements given. That is the first part of it. And from the video, what did you understand, children? Is it interesting? Ehan, can you tell me?
Yes.
Anything you understood from the video? Two children are talking, isn't it? Huh?
Yes.
Two of them are talking each other. And what was he explaining about?
About the simple equations.
About the simple equations, isn't it? He was asking, there is a game which you have, which you were doing during the vacation. I have explained in the vacation class, isn't it? The game starting with
Ma'am, can you
asking
explain now?
another
I
person,
don't know that.
asking a student to imagine a number in your mind and doing some calculations over it. And at last, the other person will be saying what is in his mind, isn't it? The same game what they were playing, and he was asking to explain what is simple equation. So let us start with children. What
Yes.
are simple equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First step is to convert your statements to the equations. Let us see how it is. And you know, we assign a number, we assign a letter for the unknowns. We assign a letter. That can be any letter, X, A, Y, Z, or A, B, C, D, any alphabet you can assign for the unknown.
Is there any
So,
definition?
equation will come to the equation later. First, you frame the equation from the statements given. Try. Okay. After that, I'll explain how to solve it. Listen. I'll give you some sentences. Okay, statements you have to convert into equations.
Yes, ma'am.
Then you will just, it is a revision of what you have studied in standard 6, children. We can see that. Yeah. Look at these problems. Yes. Adidev, can you solve the first one? Can you give me an equation for the first one? The sum of numbers x and y and 4 is 9. Sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. Very simple statement. How will you write it in the form of an equation? The unknown is given all over there. Unknown, there is another name. Can anybody anybody remember that?
Ma'am, variable.
Variable. Very good. Variable. Very good. So tell me, Adidev, put it in the form of an equation. Sentence is given to you. Statement is given to you. You can tell me the equation. How
Ma'am,
will
can
you
I
write
tell?
it? Wait. Adidev, can I pass the question to other person? It is very clearly given. The sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. How will you write it? Sian,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me.
X plus 4 equals 9.
Very good. X plus 4 is equal to 9. Yes, Adidev, now read that sentence. Read that sentence, what is written, and compare with the equation given. Did you understand? Adidev, just to read it. The sum of numbers. Sum means what? Addition. Sum of what are the numbers given? X
Ma'am,
and
do we have to? Ma'am, Ma'am,
Write it, write it. You have to write. Write down in your lecture note. Write the heading, simple equations, chapter 4, simple equations. Then you can write down these statements. That's the first step. Convert into equations. Sum of numbers x and 4 is equal to 9. Did you understand, Adidev? Hello?
ma'am,
Ah. Did you understand that sentence, how to change it into equation?
no, ma'am.
Sum of two numbers means what? Add them. Add. What are the numbers? X and 4. So x plus 4 is what? Equal to 9. Very simple it is.
Is
Not
this
a
question
very
from the
big problem.
textbook?
No textbook. You take down in your lecture note all this. Then next one. Sinan. Mohammad Sinan.
Can I, Han?
Sinan, tell me the second one.
Can I say the next one?
Wait, wait, wait.
After
Adidev, wait,
the-
wait. I'll give you. Sinan, tell me.
2 subtracted 4 from 8 is 8.
How will you write it? What is subtracted? What is subtracted here?
2 from 8.
2 is subtracted from what?
8. Why?
8. Huh? Is it 2 subtracted from 8?
Why, ma'am? Why?
Why? So how will you write that? Which one will come first? Y or 2?
Can I tell?
Why?
Huh? Y.
Y
So
minus 2 equal to 8.
And what is subtracted? 2 is subtracted. Isn't it? So y?
Y minus 2 equal to 8.
Y minus 2 is equal to 8, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
2 subtracted from y is equal to 8. So we write it as y minus 2 is equal to 8. Very good.
Ma'am, can
Now
I say the
Gautam
next
Krishna,
one?
next one.
And can I say the next one?
Gautam,
Ma'am? Ma'am?
yes, who is it?
Han.
Ikhan. Okay, wait. Gautam Krishna, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
The number, third one. Third one.
10 times A is 17.
10 times A is 70. How will you write it? 10 times A is 70.
Ma'am, can I?
10 times. How will you write it?
In
Ma'am, can I say
Ma'am,
Adidev,
ma'am,
into?
Yes.
into 10.
10 into 10 times A equals
70.
70.
70.
So you can write it as 10 into A can be written as 10A equals 70. Times means it is multiplied, isn't it? Times. Okay.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
one. Hanna, this one. This is very easy. The number B divided by 5 gives 6. How will you write it?
And can I say that one?
I'll give you a tough question. Okay, Hanna, tell me this. The number B divided by 5 gives 6. Very straight
Can I
sentence
tell?
it is. Very easy sentence. Just read it and tell me what is there in that. Very easy, no? What is divided? Which is the numerator here, Hanna?
5.
What is the numerator? Just read
6.
the sentence carefully. Divided by 5. So 5 is numerator or denominator?
B is the numerator and 5 is the denominator.
So what you have to write only this. B by 5 gives 6.
Gives 6.
Is equal to 6. That's all.
Oh,
Very easy.
I
Okay.
thought,
No, you thought something else have to be done.
yes, ma'am.
Nothing else. Simply write it in the form of an equation. When
Oh,
will
that.
you call it as an equation? When there is equal to sign between two algebraic expressions. What do you mean by an expression, children? If this is when you write 5, this can be called as a numerical expression. If you put along with that, it is 5x. It is an algebraic expression. When plus 3, this is also another algebraic expression. Okay, if I write 5x plus 3 is equal to something, let's say 15 or something, when we use equality sign in an algebraic expression, we call it an algebraic equation. We call it an equation. We call it simple equation. There is why we call it simple equation, because the degree, you know what is degree? Degree means what is the how many times this variable is occurring. That is only one time, no? So it is known as simple equation. If it is 2 times, it will become a quadratic equation. It is like this. It becomes a quadratic equation. Okay. Then if it is a 5x cube plus 3x square plus 1 is equal to 15, it becomes a cubic equation. All this you learn in 8th standard. Okay. Why we call it simple equation? Because the degree of this variable is 1. That is why we call it a simple equation. Okay. It can be different types of equations are there, but this is only simple equation because we are taking only one variable, and the variable is applied only or multiplied only one time. It is not multiplied at all, it is there. So the degree of the variable is 1. That is why we call it a simple equation. Yes, tell me, Rolls and Francis, are you ready to say the next one? 3/4 of t is 15. Rolls, can you say what is that? 3/4 of t is 15. How will you write that? Of operation you have studied, no? Fractions. Of operation. Adidev, can you try?
Ma'am, is it multiplication?
Yes.
Yes, 3/4 of t is 15. How will you write it?
T
Hmm.
into 3.
No? Listen, read.
By 4.
carefully.
3 divided by 4
4
equals
divide.
15.
Divided by 4.
3 by 4
Ma'am, 3
By 4
3 by 4 into
of
t.
by 4.
3 by 4 of t is
3 by 4
equals
3
to
by 4
So
into
you
t.
can write it as 3 by
By
4
4 into t
multiplied
t
by
is equal to 15.
15.
Or you can write it as 3 by 4 t, isn't it? Of
Yes, ma'am.
t is 3/4 of t is equal to 15. This is the equation. 3/4 of t is equal to 15. When I say the equation, you think that, oh, this was very easy, isn't it? Simply read it and just understand and say. That's all. Okay, Yahan,
Yes.
how are you? You are
Fine,
there,
ma'am.
no? Yes.
Yes.
This one, 6th one.
M plus 7. Which?
Read carefully. Read
7
first. First you read it. Otherwise you will not get it. Okay.
M plus
No, you 7 times m.
plus
Hmm.
7 gets you 77.
Yes. So how will you write it? 7 times m plus 7. How will you write it?
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I say?
No, wait. Ehan,
Ma'am, can I
Ehan,
tell
answer it.
M into
Asking
7.
Ehan. 7?
M 7.
7 times m.
Yes.
M in- 7 into M plus
7
7
into
into
m
M
plus
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 7
7
is equal to
Plus 7
77.
equals
77.
Plus 7 is
77.
7
equal to
into m
77.
So
plus 7
7
equals
into
77.
m plus 77, plus 7 is equal to 77. You can write 7 into m. You can write as 7m plus 7 equals 77. Okay, 7 times m plus 7 is equal to 77. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now next question. 1/4 of a number x minus 4
1 by
gives
4.
4. Abhinav Sajan,
Yes, ma'am.
1/4 of a number x
Ma'am.
minus 4. 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. How will you write it? Yes.
1 by 4 x
Yes.
minus plus, ma'am, 1 by 4 x minus 4
1/4 of a
is
number x, correct. Minus 4.
is minus 4 is equal to 4.
Yes, very good. 1/4 of a number x,
Can I tell the last
that is
one?
1 by 4x minus 4 is equal to 4. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell the last one?
Yes, who is it?
I'm assuming Michelle.
Michelle, okay, very good. Come on. Yes.
6
Michelle can
into
tell. Yes.
6 into y minus 6 equal to 60.
If you take away 6 from 6 times y, what did you say as answer? Once more.
6 into y
Hmm.
minus 6 equal to 60.
Yeah, because what is asked, if you take away what? 6 from what?
Times
6
y.
times y.
Times
So
y.
which one should come first? From what you are taking, that should come first. No, it is a fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
From what you are taking away? From 6 times y. So 6 times y, you are taking away 6 from that. Minus 6 equals 60. Isn't it? If you take away
Yes,
6
ma'am.
from 6 times y, you get 60. So it is from what is it is subtracted. That is very important. Okay, that from what, that should come first. So 6y minus 6 equals 60. Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Yes. So I am going to ask once more.
Ma'am, what's the answer of fifth
Time
question?
was,
7
12,
times m
19
plus
only.
7 gets
5
by
more
4
minutes.
of these.
5 more minutes I can take. Yes, Adi Dev, try once more. I'll give you this one. What is this? 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. Don't look into the book. Tell me. Don't look into the book. You read and tell me. What is the equation? 7 times m plus 7 gets you 77. How will you write it?
Ma'am, 7m plus 7 gives you
7m plus 7 is equal to 77. Very good. Clear? Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Sinan, Sinan, tell me this
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
last one.
Ma'am, I didn't understand that.
Can I say that then?
Yes.
Ihan.
Yes. Ehan, I have given you the chance. Now, Sinan, what you didn't understand? Read that sentence, Sinan. Read it.
If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60.
Okay. Sinan, tell me, if you take away what?
6 from 6 times.
From what?
6 times y.
6 times y. So that, how will you write that? From 100, you are taking away 6. Then how will you write it? Six minus 100 or 100 minus 6? What will you write, Sinan? Hello? Sinan, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
No. You see, you are, suppose you are taking away 6 from 100. How will you write that? I am taking 6 from 100.
100 minus
Yes, 100 minus
6.
6, isn't it? 100 minus 6. Same way, here it is given. If you take away 6 from what? From 6 times y. So how will you write it?
6 minus 6y is equal
No. Listen. If you take away 6 from 100, you will write 100 minus 6, isn't it? From what you are taking away? From a big number. That only you have to write first. In the same way, here, what are you taking away? 6. From which one you are taking away? 6 times y. So
Times
which
y.
one should come first?
6y
6
minus
times y means 6y. 6 into y. 6y minus,
minus 6
you get
equals to
60. Equal to 60. Did you understand now?
Okay.
Ma'am, 6y means 6 into y, right?
6 into y. 6 times y means 6 into y. 10 times 5. How will you write it? 10 times 5, 5 into 5 into 5. Isn't it? 10 into
Yes,
5.
10.
Sorry, 10 times 5, you will write 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 10 times. Or you can write 10 into 5. Isn't it? So
Yes,
10
ma'am.
into 5. So same way, 6 times y means it is 6 into y. How many times it is added, not multiplying? Okay, that is 4 times. 3 times 4 means what? 3 times 4 is added, isn't it? So
Yes,
3 into
ma'am.
4. That's how you get 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4. 3 times you added, you will get 12. The same answer you will get when you multiply 3 into 4. 12. Clear? So 6 into y means 6 into y means
6
how many
times.
times? 6 times y is added. Children, you understand that first? Y is added. Okay, that is known as 6 into y. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
subtraction also you have to be very careful, otherwise whole answer will go wrong if you are not checking that. From what you are subtracting, that should come first, isn't it? That's a bigger number. From that only we are subtracting. So from which number you are subtracting, that you have to write. Then from that only the number is subtracted and then write the answer. It is a very simple, that's why it is known as simple equations. There's no complicated problems in this. You can read the sentence and answer it very nicely. Okay, hope all of you have understood today's class, student, how to change a statement into equation. So I'll send it homeworks, more statements I'll send as homework to try to change it into equation. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so wind up today's class. Bye all of you.